Question number 4. On March 31st, 2016, after the close of accounts, the capital of Mountain, Hill and Rock stood in the books of the firm 8 rupees, 4 lakh, 3 lakh and 2 lakh respectively. Subsequently, it was discovered that the interest on capital at the rate 10% per annum had been omitted. मीन्स प्रीवियस ईयर में बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट क्लोज होने से पहले इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल नहीं दिया पार्टनर्स को उनकी कैपिटल पर. द प्रॉफिट फॉर द ईयर अमाउंटेड टू ₹1,50,000 and the partners' drawings had been Mountain ₹20,000, Hill ₹15,000 and Rock ₹10,000. Calculate interest on capital. See my dear student, in this question he asked to calculate interest on capital, but their capital is given on 31st March 2016. Means this is a closing capital. क्लियरली उसने लिखा है फर्स्ट लाइन में ऑन 31st March 2016 आफ्टर द क्लोज ऑफ अकाउंट्स. मीन्स दिस कैपिटल इज अ क्लोजिंग कैपिटल एंड ही आस्क्ड अस टू कैलकुलेट interest on capital. So interest on capital is always calculated on opening capital. So to calculate interest and find out the opening capital, first we will calculate opening capital. How you will calculate opening capital? In this capital means in closing capital by add drawing and less profit for the year. In this question, second last line, profit for the year is given ₹1,50,000. But see student, no profit sharing ratio is given in the question. So, if no profit sharing ratio is given, we assume that their profit sharing ratio is equal, means 1:1:1. So, this ₹1,50,000 profit will be distributed among them was ₹50,000 each, 1/3, 1/3 and 1/3. So look at here how to calculate opening capital. Calculation of opening capital, because in this question closing capital is given and to calculate interest on capital we need opening capital. So by adding drawings and deduct the profit for the year, we get opening capital. So the Mountain, Hill and Rock. Capital at the end 4 lakh, 3 lakh and 2 lakh is given. 8 drawings. These amounts are also given in the question. 20,000, 15,000 and 10,000. Add this 4 lakh 20,000, 3 lakh 15,000 and 2 lakh 10,000. Less profit for the year. Profit is always distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio, but in this question profit sharing ratio is not given. So we assume that profit sharing ratio is equal. So 50,000, 50,000, 50,000. Profit तीनों में बराबर बराबर बांट दिया. And now the capital at the beginning means opening capital 3,70,000, 2,65,000 and 1,60,000. Now you got opening capital and interest on capital at the rate 10% per annum. So now you direct calculate the 10% of 3,70,000, 2,65,000 and 1,60,000. See here. Interest on capital. First, Mountain 3,70,000 multiply 10 by 100, it's rupees 37,000. On Hills capital 2,65,000, 10% rupees 26,500. And Rock 1,60,000, multiply 10 by 100, it's rupees 16,000. This is interest on their capital. Okay dear students, thank you.